So there's something called money memories. You said I have a bad relationship with money. Sometimes I feel like if I ignore it, then I don't have to think about it. I need to do better. We all do. Nobody is perfect in the let us get our money together game. So here's the thing. Money memories are mostly going to be associated with whatever ideal of money you have. So for instance, one of my money memories is that if I tithe and I give a tenth to God, then he's going to bless me with more. Why is this a money memory? When I was 10 years old, I started tithing. I believed the concept very early. It made sense to me. Hey, God blessed me with this money. Let me go ahead and give him some. So I might have had like $10, whatever. I remember being in church. I gave $1 or $2, whatever it was. I think I gave like $2, right? I came home, took my puppy outside, noticed something blowing around in the field behind my house. I'm like, oh, what's that? I walk up to it. It's money. Just bills just blowing around in the field. So of course I quite naturally go and pick it up. I'm not stupid. Now mind you, at this point my mom and them didn't have anybody who lived behind the house, and it was like in the thicket of it was like in the field. So of course I picked it up. So this created a money memory to me that if I serve God and I do what he tells me to do, especially with my finances, then he's going to bless me all the more. A second money memory for me is not to lie about money. One time I had an instance where my aunt asked me to go in the store for her to go buy a relax. I'm young. I don't know. I'm 15, 14. I didn't pay attention to how much money she gave me. So I go and give it. And I thought that the cashier gave me more money than I expected. She did not. My aunt gave me $20. I thought she gave me 10. I came up with a story from the time I made it to the cash register out to the store that I found the money outside. My aunt was going to go inside and let this woman know that she cut her short on her money, because I hadn't realized that my aunt gave me more money than she did. So I lied and said that I found money. Because of what I felt in my pit at that moment as my aunt was about to get out the store, because she is not the one to be played with or trifled with, it taught me that I needed to be honest about money. So those are two money memories that I have. Okay. And my third money memory is that having a lot of money feels good. I remember one time seeing my mom with some bands and I was like, ooh, she's happy and I'm happy for her. And this is what I want for my life. So those are three money memories that I have. Once you can unpack why you feel like you do, or the memories that you have of money, excuse me, I'm so sorry, why you have the memories of money that you have, then you can begin to deal with the way and the reason why you have a bad relationship with money. Everybody's relationship with money ain't bad just because it's bad. Sometimes there's things that we have that we haven't unpacked that cause us to deal with things the way that we do. Sorry, y'all. I had this lip gloss and I love it, but sometimes it leaves this cast. I'm just keeping it a buck. But I like the lip gloss, so we gonna keep on wearing it, y'all. But anyway, so yeah, you have to figure out why you feel the way that you do about money. I know that this is a longer than usual response, but I genuinely believe that God does not want to see any of us being broke. So we have to unpack why. So hopefully this helps. You guys drop your questions below and share this below. I actually am going to do a class where we unpack money, our relationship with money, and things that we need to be doing as far as getting our finances and our budgeting together. If you guys would be interested in that, let me know in the comments. Drop an orange heart. Thank you.